Hi everyone, in this video, we will be discussing some all-natural remedies for arthritis that you can easily try at home. Arthritis is a common condition that causes inflammation and pain in the joints, and it can be very debilitating for those who suffer from it. However, there are many natural remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms of arthritis and improve your quality of life. In this video, we will be sharing some of these remedies with you, so you can try them out for yourself and see how they work. Let's get started. Do you or someone you care about have arthritis? If this is the case, the pain and discomfort associated with arthritis may be too much to bear. Many arthritis sufferers seek relief from over-the-counter drugs when this happens. Yes, these over-the-counter pharmaceuticals will help you manage and treat your arthritis in most circumstances, but did you know that there are other natural and safe ways to manage and treat arthritis? There is a handful of them, and we've highlighted a couple of them here. Raw juice drinking is an efficient and natural arthritis treatment. Green juices and potato juice are two forms of juice that are highly regarded and recommended. In fact, potato juice has long been used to alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with arthritis. Cut a potato into thin pieces to make potato juice. Keep the skin intact while doing so. Place the potato slices in a glass of cold water and set them for several hours, preferably overnight. Then take a drink. Another natural strategy to cure many of the symptoms of arthritis is to consume omega-3 fatty acids. Most fish contain omega-3 fatty acids. Those who don't like fish should look into omega-3 fatty acid supplements, which can be found in most drugstores and health food stores. This natural therapy can help with all types of arthritis, but rheumatoid arthritis patients notice and feel the biggest improvements. Another simple and natural technique to ease the pain and discomfort associated with arthritis is to massage warm olive oil over the affected area. The benefit of this method is that most people already have olive oil in their homes. Allow the heating olive oil to cool somewhat before using it, since overly hot olive oil can cause painful skin burns. Sage, rosemary, or garlic, in addition to basic olive oil, can be diluted with around 10 more parts of olive oil. When administered to the affected area, immediate alleviation should be noticed. Another natural technique to relieve the pain and discomfort associated with arthritis is to take a bath. Warm baths are recommended while seeking relief from pain. In fact, taking a cold bath can make you feel worse, which isn't the purpose. Many arthritis sufferers recommend adding 3 or 4 teaspoons of Epsom salt to the bathwater in addition to a regular heated bath. Arthritis sufferers should soak in a warm bath for at least 30 minutes. As you can see, there are a variety of natural and home remedies that can be utilized to alleviate arthritic symptoms. If you don't have arthritis, but know someone who does, you might want to share these simple and natural solutions with them. Unfortunately, many people are ignorant of the various advantages of natural medicines. That's it for our video on all-natural arthritis remedies that you can try out at home. We hope that you found our tips and suggestions helpful and that they can help you manage your arthritis symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's important to consult with your doctor before trying any new treatments, and to monitor your symptoms closely to see how well they are working for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.